species. Endogenous retroviruses, remnants of these ancient encounters, are not merely passive passengers within our DNA. They have actively contributed to our evolution, shaping our immune system, influencing placental development, and driving genetic diversity. The presence of viral DNA within our genome underscores the interconnectedness of life, highlighting the profound influence of viruses on our very being. We are, in a sense, a mosaic of genetic material, a product of both cellular and viral inheritance. This viral legacy, woven into the fabric of our DNA, serves as a constant reminder of the intricate